Assalamu alaikum all viewers. Welcome to my channels to everybody. I hope you all will be good. Today we are proceeding for the next MCQs of the same chapter sequence and series. Question number 105. If x, y, z are in arithmetic progression with common difference is d, then z, y, x are also in arithmetic progression. What is the common difference? What is the value of d minus d square and minus 2d? So first of all, x, y, z we can write in the arithmetic form. Arithmetic progression x, y and z. Here if we take their common difference, we can write y minus x, and the second one is z minus y. Similarly, if we write this arithmetic progression z, y and x, if we are finding, so the common difference we are finding y minus z is equal to x minus y. X minus y is required, but here is the difference is, look here, if we are finding here x minus y is if we required, so it means that here we take common minus x minus y. Similarly, if we take here y minus z, so that will be equal to minus d. Here the value of minus d. So correct answer is minus d is the correct option. And 64 power x and whole power y is equal to 8 power 16. What is the arithmetic mean between a and b? So result is what? So first of all we simplify the given xy form. So we can write 64 power x whole power y is equal to 8 power 16. Here we are required base 64 is we can write 8 power square. We get 64 and also x is multiplied as a whole and y is equal to 16. Now according to the double exponent, we know that double exponent formula. According to this formula, m a power m whole power n, we can write mn. So according to the double exponent rule we can apply here. So we can write 2xy is equal to 816. Here bases are same, so we can compare the exponent to each other. 2xy is equal to 16, dividing both sides by 2, so 2 are cancelled and 2 and 16 are also cancelled. Xy is equal to 8. It means that x is equal to, it means that either the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8, or x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 1. If we are multiplied, so we get 1 multiplied by 8, 8 multiplied by 1, we get 8. So here arithmetic mean is required. What is the value of arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is between two numbers. We can write x plus y divided by 2. Here x is 1 plus 8 divided by 2, we can get here 9 divided by 2. But in the choice is 9 by 2 is here must be present. So I am change this result here. C is the correct option. 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is the correct answer. If x, 2x plus 1 and 4x plus 5 are in our geometric progression, then what is the value of x? In geometric progression we are required common ratio. Common ratio is required. Common ratio is second value divided by first value or third value divided by second value. Here the second value is 2x plus 1 divided by first value is x is equal to third value 4x plus 5 divided by second value 2x plus 1. If we take cross multiplication to each other, so we get 2x plus 1, and to 2x plus 1 we can write 2x plus 1 whole square, and x multiplied by 4x plus 5. Now expanding according to the a plus b whole square formula, is we know that the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. According to this formula, if we open this term, so 2 we get 4x square plus 1 plus 4x is equal to 4x square plus 5x. Now we are eliminate here to each other this term, variable to variable sides, x square plus 4x minus 4x square plus minus 5x is equal to minus 1. Constant change here. So 4x square minus 4x square cancel, 4x minus 5x we get minus x is equal to minus 1. Multiplying both sides by 1, so x is equal to 1. Correct option is B is the correct answer. For 108, the sequences are given 6 divided by 7, 3 over 5 up to so on is in arithmetic progression, harmonic progression, geometric progression, both A and B. Look here, if here we are find the common difference for the arithmetic progression, so then we will get here 6 second term minus first term, 3 divided by 5, then if we take the reciprocal of this term, 6 divided by 7 and 3 divided by 5, 6 divided by 13 up to so on. If we take the reciprocal of this one, we can write here 1 divided by 6 divided by 7, 1 divided by 3 divided by 5, and 1 divided by 6 divided by 13 up to so on. So we can write here 7 divided by 6 and 5 divided by 3, 13 divided by 6 up to so on. Now if we are finding common difference here, so common difference second value minus first value 7 divided by 6. So look here, we get here 6 is the LCM, and here 10 minus 7, so 3 divided by 6, both are cancelled to each other, we get here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the here harmonic progressions, because this is the reciprocal we have already found, so that is harmonic. By 4, 1 by 8 up to 16, 1 by 2 whole power n plus 1. So what is the result? Look here, common difference is coming. There is the multiple of 2, 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 2, 16 up to so on. So this limit is required, the limit of the last term is here, the limit of n tend to infinity, n tend to infinity, 1 divided by 2 n plus 1. So if we are applying here the limit 1 by 2, so here 1 divided by 2 infinity plus 1. So something, it means that here the 1 infinity plus 1 and 2 divided by infinity plus 1. So here we will get here 1 1, so we are applying in here 2n plus 1. So this term will be equal to here, we can write n plus 1 here, and same I apply 1 by 2, so we get here infinity is equal to 0. So the result is, correct answer is 0. 2x plus 1, 4x plus 5 are in arithmetic progression. Then what is the value of x in arithmetic progression? We are finding the common difference. So second value minus first value. Second value is given here 2x plus 1 minus x is equal to third value minus second value. Means that here a2 minus a1 is equal to a third value minus a second value. That is the value of common difference. We are find common difference in arithmetic progression. So first of all, we subtract this result. We get here 2x minus x. We get x plus 1 is equal to 4x plus 5. If we open the brackets here, minus is multiply, so we get minus x plus 1 is equal to 4x and 2x. We subtract 2x and plus 5 and minus 1 plus 4. Now we eliminate, separate the variables and constant to each other. Here x plus minus 2x and 4 minus 1. If we get here this simplify, we get minus x is equal to 3. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, we get x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is the correct option here. We put here minus 3. Minus 3 is the correct option. C is the correct option. Mth term is required. Nth term, just like mth we replace in nth term, we put m term. So first of all, we find the common difference between these terms. So the common difference, second value minus first value, third value minus second value, up to so on. Here 2 minus 13, we get here minus 11. Similarly, if we find minus 9 and minus 2, we get here minus 11. Minus 11 is same. Common difference must be same, otherwise it is not arithmetic progression. So for the first, we are finding the nth term. What is the value of nth term? We know that nth term is a1 plus n minus 1 d. Just we replace, in replace of n we put m. We put m a1 plus m minus 1 d. Here a1 is 13 and plus m minus 1 d already find minus 11. So 13, if we minus 11m plus 11. So if we subtract these terms, so what is the result here? 11 minus 11, 24. 24 is required. 24, we put here 24 minus 11m, which is the correct option. C is the value of 825 is required of the sequence is given also. So the sequence we can write, first of all we change the compound numbers, compositive numbers. So 5 4 3 multiplied by 12, 12 plus 1 13 divided by 3. Similarly 3 multiplied by 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 divided by 3, up to so on. Now we are finding common difference. So common difference is second value 13 divided by 3 minus 5. So 3 is the LCM. 13 minus here is 1, 3 5 multiplied by 15. So we get here minus 2 divided by 3. So here the answer is the value of 825 is required according to the formula. A is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 d. If we put here 25, a1 is equal to 5 plus 25 minus 1 and d is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. So 5, we subtract this value, 24 minus 2 divided by 3, 3 multiplied by 8. So we get here 5 minus 16 is equal to minus 11. Minus 11 is the correct option. Check answer. B is correct option. Next number in the sequence Look here, if we subtract common difference, if we are finding 40 minus 30, 10 we get 30, 30, 90 minus 40 we get 50. So common difference is not same. So that is not arithmetic progression. Similarly, if we are finding to check the geometric series, it means that second value divided by first value we get here 4, and third value we get 9 divided by 4. It is also not geometric series, does not exist. So if we are finding harmonic progression if is depend on the arithmetic progression, because harmonic progression is the reciprocal arithmetic progression. It is also not defined in this case. So what we will do, look here, we think about this one. If we take here 1, ignore 0 and up to so on. So we can write 1 square and 2 square and 3 square up to so on. And look here, in 1 square we get 1, 2 square 4, and similarly 3 square, and up to the next term we are required. So next number means here we get here 4 square up to so on. The next number is here 16. If we put here a 0 is the right side, we put here 160. So answer D is the correct option in this situation. In between two numbers, so is equal to a plus b divided by 2, but here the name is changed, C and D, we replace just C plus D divided by 2. So correct option is C is the correct option. Routine, what is the arithmetic mean between two numbers? So first of all we write the numbers 3 divided by 2 and a1 a2 are 2 arithmetic means 27 divided by 4 are in arithmetic progression. So first of all, how many values? This is the first value, this is the first value here a1, and this one is a2, a3 and a4, a2, a3 and a4. So here a1 is equal to 3 divided by 2, and n is equal to total number is 4, and a4 is equal to 27 over 4. So apply the formula, an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 d. So first of all we put here n is equal to 4, a1 plus 4 minus 1 and d. Here a4 is 27 over 4 is equal to a1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 3d. Subtract this value here, 27 divided by 4 minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 3d. So 3d, if we are finding here, subtract 4 is the LCM, we are taking LCM, 4 is the LCM, 4 is LCM, so 27 minus 2 multiplied by 2 we get here 6. So if we subtract this value we get here 24 over 1. 24 over 21 divided by 4. So now we are required here a1 first, d we have already found, d find, so we can write an is equal to a1 plus 1d, first value nd 1d. I put the values of a1 is equal to 1, first value is 3 divided by 2 and n is equal to 1, and d we get 27 over 4. So we again we take 4's LCM, so we get here 27 and 21. What is the answer here? 27 divided by 4, 27 divided by 4. Similarly, if the second value 27 divided by 4. So 4 is the LCM, we get 27, and 2, 3 multiplied by 6, 21 by 4fe1a1d. So we will get here 21 and 4 is the LCM. 4 LCM is 6, 27 over 4. And the second value, if we are finding A2 is equal to A1 plus second value D. A1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 2 and D is equal to 21 divided by 4. Both are cancelled. Here we get here 24 divided by 2. 24 and we get here 12 and there is no option, none of these. You can write here none of these. So D is the correct option, because here if the first term of arithmetic progression is given that and common difference is also given that, what is the 10th term of the sequence arithmetic progression is required if the first term is arithmetic progression is 5 and D is equal to 3 and A10 is unknown. So according to the formula, A1 plus n minus 1 D, where 10 term is required, in the place of n we put here n is equal to 10. First value is already found 5 and 10 minus 1 and D is equal to 3. So 5 we get 9 multiplied by 3, 5 plus 27 as we get here 32. 32 we check here, option C is correct answer. Term of the geometric progression is required. So general term is, we know that the arithmetic progression we can write A1 plus n minus 1, A1 into R is the common ratio, power exponent n minus 1. But here is required n plus 1 term, so in the place of n we put n plus 1 or n plus 1 and minus 1. So both are cancelled here. We get here A1 R n. A1 R, so the A1 R, yes. So the correct option we check here, n plus 1 term is here, B option is the correct option in this situation, in this case, in case of geometric progression. So that arithmetic progression of the general term or inner term is given A1 plus n minus 1 D. Here we replace, here in replace of n we put an plus 1 is equal to A1 plus n plus 1 minus 1 D. Minus 1 and plus 1 both are plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled. Here A1 plus and D. Now check the answer here, A plus n1. Here is also nd, but here the term is an. Here an plus 1, C is the correct option in this case.